So just a bit of an update. As I said a while ago, the radio wasn't working. Turns out that the system was running a update that was from 2012. So the system was basically that old that the system shut itself down. I did a bit of researching, and there was a new update come out recently, but I bought it and it wouldn't accept it. It was saying error. So I bought the previous one, didn't work. Tried it again, and now it's updating. So fingers crossed, the radio will be back to working again. If it works, I'm going to get the other one of these updated as well. I might try then updating them to the latest system that's not that old, recently come out, I think. And then I'll fit the other radio in the Golf. Literally all you do is just put the disc in, it scans it, asks you if you want to go ahead with it, you press yes and it does the rest on its own. Once it's complete, it'll spit the disc out and then start working again. There's 55 minutes left, so it advises that you put a battery charger on rather than kill your battery, because you can't have the engine running while it's updating. So stay tuned and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So not long to go now, just another 25 minutes. Don't think it's going to update DAB because it hasn't got a DAB module on the back of it, so, and if it does, I'll be very surprised. Let's see what happens. Yeah. I've just been sat here waiting. It was doing the MPEG, it was on like 44%, and the remaining time was on 24 minutes. I literally looked at my phone, looked back, and MPEG was on 100, and the remaining time had jumped to 9. As I say, fingers crossed this will fix the radio, because I've gone 6 months driving along without any music on or even news or whatever. So fingers crossed. As I said, if it does work, I'll update the other one of these, because I've got another one identical. I'll update it, and if Rosie wants it for the Golf, she can have it. If not, I'll offer it to me nan and Grandad for the Tiguan. Software success. System is being successful. There you go. Disc automatically ejects. Take that out. Now if it's worked, I don't know if the screen's going to change or what. Put the key in. Oh, it's worked. Now what I've got to do, it's in German. Now that the system's updated, I should be able to now change that back to English. Hopefully. Right, so we go system, and you go in language, English. Just thinking about it. Could be another one of them long wait things, so I'll get back to you. So yeah, there's the proof that the reason it wasn't loading and working is because the system was so old it didn't know how to change the language and things. Either that or the system was so old it was forcing me to update it to be able to put it back into English and stuff. There's my maps fixed. I'm going to say no, because it doesn't even have a clue where I am. But yeah, there you have it. So if your RNS510 Volkswagen radio isn't working, or it goes back to German and it doesn't do nothing, no sound, no radio, no maps, anything like that, my advice to you is update to system 5.10.3.2, I think it is, and then you might then be able to upgrade to this year's 6.2.3.7. I'm not 100% sure if we've just got them numbers correct, but somewhere along them lines. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'm going to shut this up because it's irritating me. Actually, before I do shut it up, is my system thingy working?
No phone connected. Oh, main menu.
There's your answer. Cancel. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.